Alright, you guys. We are about to go on a waterfall hike. Let's see what mess we're getting. It's raining.
It's raining.
But it's not going to be too.
We're going on a rock waterfall and I forgot pants.
Yeah, I'm wearing my medallion. I thought I lost it.
Riley's in a full ass suit right now.
Full ass
Those
suit.
are some nice dress pants.
Dress
Going to church? Going to church?
You get. What do you think about the trees? I think it's so beautiful. Okay, so we are on our first break.
What's about the water?
This is not that strenuous of a hike, so we'll be okay. There's like a
When you got
million
the
other
dress
people.
shoes on, it's a little hard with the dress shoes.
He rented. Those are nice water shoes. Those say Cabana? Huh? Wow. What's Keely wearing? I decided to wear the Lems.
And then pull your foot out.
Sponsor me, Lems.
Well, why are you
Sponsor
taking that
me.
video
These
sideways?
are barefoot shoes.
Those ones up top.
We
You see the highest tree? You see up top? Those are those.
Gonna hit the first waterfall
Those are
soon.
those. Like the pedals.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Here we go.
Dale, woman. No, you don't want to be.
Walking down the stairs.
We got Jaime. Oh, we should take a picture in there. Oh, there's the boat. Woo! Hey, but not hurting at her. Oh, it's not? No. Probably so smooth. It's so smooth. I do have one stop.
Wow. Nice.
Woo! Do I help it?
Wow, I thought Jordan got a nice hip check with a rock.
No, I got no hip check. Oh. That was good. That was good. How would you guys rate?
Dude, I think.
I would rate it 11 out of 10.
Yeah, 11 out of 10.
Oh. I'll climb it up backwards. Like, that's how fun it is. You know?
Straight up, yeah, go ahead. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, go to the pool.
Get over there.
Look how in the rainforest the trees just come right over us. Protects us from the sun. It's a good thing I left my hat, but I did bring my shorts. Shorts are soaking.
Like Jaime wore it, absolutely.
Jaime decided to wear all his clothes.
And his real shoes. And his real shoes.
Yeah, Jaime decided to wear just a pair of shorts, a pair of pants, and a t-shirt.
And some
How
dress
about the
shoes.
medallion?
Dress shoes. Can't forget the dress shoes.
And the medallion. Stand out the Pirates of the Caribbean, Jaime. You're not Jack Sparrow. Well, we have finished with our excursion.
I gotta check in on the
Find out the other squad.
Hope they had a good time because they're just waiting for us with that 6 fucking person car.
Well, no, because they also went to the waterfalls, but not the ones that we did. So I think they're enjoying themselves.